Hello, everyone. Hello. We took a year off of posting to social media. And now we still recorded videos, and
Here we are.
We're going to tell you about them.
This is our year in review.
2020, New Year 2022 to New Year 2023. Off-roading and a bunch of other things. We have a screen here right next to us, so we'll be able to see what you see. Right here's we always go to the Prophet's, Jeremiah Prophet is Resurrection Land Cruisers. Prophet Resurrection Land Cruiser is the name of his company. If you don't know what it is, if you don't know what Land Cruisers are, go to my Instagram or check out his website here. So you're gonna see a lot of him. No thanks. You're gonna see a lot of him in this video, and we go to New Year's there because it's a party.
We are never sad people, and that we like to party.
There's fireworks. It's in the mountains. It's a big house. So this is us leaving Quebec on our way up, and it's a blizzard.
A lot of rain will be pouring down, and kind of wah. And people will be kind of jaga.
Now, most people would have turned around and not made the trek.
This is his driveway. So New Year's at his house is always super fun.
It's a trek getting there, though.
Hours.
He's got a wild driveway as well.
Here's the view. Here's the fireworks. This is why we go every year. They're really good friends. Also, we work with each other because of my photography and his vehicles. Did you see that? Oh my goodness.
And Kevin's a lush, so
that's
what that is.
Here's us leaving, and then here's getting back to Quebec after we had already left. And then we actually made it back for the Quebec fireworks, and I recorded
they were
on the
delayed
drone. They were delayed
because of the storm that we should have stayed home for and not driven.
But it was still a ton of fun. Okay, so we did a lot of hiking. I cut these up a lot to really keep it brief. We're eating, Kirsten. We're eating here at the Trailhead breakfast.
I'm headed out to the monument today. My goal was to see it with snow.
I plan out our whole day. First we'll make snow angels for 2 hours.
But it's melted.
Where are we here?
We are going up hiking on the monument, I think. And we ate at that Trailhead coffee place, and that is when we ordered something.
The girl, she brought
it's a small coffee shop. Let's start with that. She brought
the wrong item out, and Kirsten went, I didn't order this, and she just went, okay, and just walked away.
Excuse me, can I get the Greek salad? That's what I ordered.
No.
She didn't say do you want the right thing? Do you want...
It was just super unusual. It's like a tiny little place. There was one other person in there. There's 3 tables.
No, it's a popular place. It's been there for a long time.
But it's pretty small.
She should have said, oh, I'm sorry, do you want us to make you the right thing? But she just walked away, and she was just like...
She just said, well, that's what it said on the
that's
ticket.
right. That's what it said on the ticket, and it's that's not, anyway.
Can you put that away, please?
It's over there.
Every time you point, I see a penis.
We are on
hiking in the monument. I was recording mortgage videos.
This is not, we're doing recording for Kim's mortgage business that she used to.
Back when I was hustling.
When she had to get her own leads. Now she gets leads from a company. As you can see, the hikes are short. They're not like hikes. They are 10-minute walks from the car. If you've never been to the monument in Fruita, Colorado, it's a good drive. Kirsten here's insane. Oh, we went to Handlebar.
Nuts for no doors.
We went to Handlebar after the bar. Excuse me, Handlebars.
It was pretty good. I kind of liked it. They have mostly beer, a little bit of cider. I think they had a wine.
Here we are. We're bar hopping in Grand Junction, if you can call it that.
Again, Kevin's a lush.
This is a fun night. We just stayed up way too late. It was
way too late.
It was fun though. There's not a lot of bars in Grand Junction, so you gotta make fun where you can. And it was fun.
F is for friends who do stuff together.
Yeah, but once you hit 30 and you start staying up past midnight.
I know, 3 a.m. is like,
it's
you might as
hard.
well just clock out for the next day.
Yeah.
You got 3 seconds.
This is an actual hike.
This is up to the devil's... Rattlesnake or something, the devil's... So everything's always about the devil.
I guess that makes me the devil.
You shouldn't joke about that.
I don't think that I think that we walked after the Devil's Hike or whatever, Devil's Peak, but this is Rattlesnake.
And this is near Grand Junction.
Yes.
Oh yeah, those people are crazy.
Is this Rattlesnake? Now I'm second guessing.
Oh no, it is Devil's. It is the Devil's Kitchen. That's at the end. You walk up the stairs.
Me and Kirsten went after.
Rattlesnake is not.
Isn't it amazing what you can learn on the net? Enough.
I'll look.
What an informational video.
But those trails are when you go in to the what's that area called? Is that called the Monument? It's right near the entrance from Chris and Kirsten's house. Remember that? You go in. If you don't have a parks pass, you have to pay. Yeah, but there's a bunch of trails. I'll put a map. I don't know why.
Yeah, they all like start in a similar spot, so you have a lot of options for trails, and it's kind of nice. And some of them are really short, and some are a little bit longer. Mm-hmm. So it's like a perfect spot to go. I am. That you just right in the middle of me talking.
I'm looking at the screen and I. All right. Are you done with what you're saying?
I am now.
This is Monument Canyon. We did a lot of hikes. I don't know why we didn't wheel so much this year.
It was
Oh,
it was really snowy.
And this is winter. Oh, of
yeah,
course. You can't wheel in the snow. Yeah.
It was extremely snowy. You know, more snow than we'd had in a lot of years, and so I like snow wheeling, but like there comes a time when you just can't really go anymore. And so this was during that month or two that we just didn't have a lot of options.
So here we are in Monument Canyon. This was a long hike.
Long talk.
It starts at the top of the monument and goes all the way down. And we took 2 cars. We parked one at the bottom and one at the top. And this, you can see you start here and then you end in that frame at the very bottom of that canyon is where we stopped. It was like 20 miles and it was so slippery and muddy. Kirsten fell. It was hot and cold because there's snow. See my hair?
You get amazing views the whole time, but I would recommend going into the dry season.
Dry as a bone. Stand in the pond, dry as a bone.
So we drove to Moab here to go to Mary Jane
Canyon, I think?
Mary Jane Canyon. This one's very fun. It crosses the river a bunch of times. We did the bread bag trick on our legs.
Yeah, and our friends made fun of us.
If you don't know what that is, you put bread bags
socks.
in between your socks and then your feet don't get wet and you don't get blisters. And they got blisters because their feet got wet. I didn't. So...
More so the drive home was very comfortable.
Here's the
because
very
my feet
end.
were dry.
Yeah, here's the very end of the trail. This is what you hike to. It's this really cool waterfall behind Chris there.
Yeah, you're like in a slot almost. It's not super tight, so it's not like scary.
There it
I don't
is.
think people are gonna get claustrophobic or anything.
No. But this is a hike. This was like miles. I'll put up how many miles here on the screen.
Oh yeah, we had to stop and rest a lot.
Some people have to park really far away and walk all the way to the office, and some people sweat too much for comfort.
You're not in fantastic shape at that time.
Here's lunch halfway through going back. Eating tuna out of a bag.
Yeah, but it was on a nice big rock. There's tons of spots to stop, so you definitely can go and take breaks.
And if you like hiking next to a river,
And living in a van down by the river.
we used to live in Utah, and we used to go hiking in a place called Bueus Canyon. B-U-E-B-E-U-S.
Yeah, I think so.
And it follows the river the whole time, and oh my gosh, it was gorgeous until it got popular.